Hey everybody, how you doing? It's Max, Chief Evangelist over here at Happily, and I am so excited to unveil to you today our brand new mobile check-in experience for in-person events with our app, Event Happily. A big improvement of the way we used to handle in-person check-in at events in HubSpot. We used to have you build HubSpot CMS pages that had these really cool modules on them that allowed you to mark someone as attended. We've taken that concept and completely lifted and shifted it over to the Event Happily app to make it much more streamlined, way easier to set up. It literally takes no effort at all. It just works out of the box and adds a whole ton of extra new functionality and is just generally way faster. And it also allows us to support things like QR code check-in at the session level, walk-up registrations right from the same page you're checking everybody in, marking people as did not attend, and also having the ability to undo if you mess up. So let me show you exactly how this works. Keep in mind, everything that I show you here is accessible to even people who don't have a HubSpot account or are in your Event Happily account, right? You can take the link that I'm going to show you and share it with your event staff securely so they're able to access the same check-in experience without having to be a seated HubSpot user or something like that, right? So this is how it works. When you have an event created inside of HubSpot in your Happily event objects, you will see a property called in-person check-in page. That is automatically going to get populated with a link that actually takes you to the Event Happily check-in app in your browser. This also works beautifully on your mobile device. And the cool thing about doing this on your mobile device, you're able to actually scan the QR codes that we create for registrants without having to flip back and forth between a camera app and a web browser. You just do it all throughout the app. You can rapid fire, ding, ding, just check people in, work your way through a line super fast. And it's way quicker than it's ever been, and it all marks them as attended inside of HubSpot, right? But if you're on your laptop, or maybe you're on an iPad, or even your mobile device, and you want just sort of like a experience where you move through a list, search for people, and just tap when you see them, and not do the whole QR code check-in, this is how you do that right here. So when you're in this app, couple of things to notice. On the left-hand side, you'll see which event it's for. We'll see that we're doing our event level check-in here, as opposed to session level check-in, which you can get to just by looking at session check-in on the right-hand side. That will show you a list of sessions, and then it's the same exact experience you're going to see here. Now, let's say I'm at like a smaller session or something, and I'm doing like my roll call and attendance, and Joseph's not showing up to the session because he's on a sales call somewhere. I can hit did not attend, just like that, and it will mark them as did not attend in HubSpot. Let's say Joe shows up though, and I accidentally marked him as did not attend. I can go back to where I can see the did not attend people. I can hit undo, and then I can come back and fix his registration and mark him as attended if I want to, right? Now, this updates in real time inside of HubSpot. We also update all the association labels between the registrant and the contact record to the event and to the session saying they did attend or they did not attend. So you will see all these changes in HubSpot as well, right? So for example, I'm looking at my HubSpot record. I'm going to go ahead and hit refresh here. We can see that Ben Francis's status has been changed to attended. Just like that. I didn't have to go into HubSpot. I didn't have to build any weird lists. I literally just had this page auto-generated for me in the Event Happily app, and I can simply check people off. I can search. I can sort by the reservation status. And also, for the first time ever, we natively support walk-up registrations, okay? So if somebody is coming to the event and let's say they bring someone along who's not registered for the event, or you have an event where you're allowing people to register in the moment, right? You need to be able to both register them and mark them as attended in one fell swoop. So that's why we have this register walk-up button. So when you click the register walk-up button, what'll happen is we'll pull in your HubSpot form that you're using for registrations for this event. The difference is when it gets filled out here, what will happen is it will actually register them and create the registrant and mark them as attended at the same exact time. So you don't have to go and reconcile that attendance later on. It just gets marked as attended as the registrant object gets created. It is super easy. It is lightning fast. It works out of the box. It is carefree attendance tracking in HubSpot immediately. All right. If you guys have any questions on how to use Event Happily, how to do attendance tracking or anything like that, give us a shout at care@happily.com, shoot us a DM on LinkedIn, or leave a comment under this video. I hope you guys have a great day. Thanks for watching.